Aloha, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card with Stampin' Up's photopolymer stamp set labeled with love. We're only going to be using happy birthday and this flower stamp set. This is designer series paper. Let me see. I don't have much left from this pack. But it is the countryside in paper. This is cut about, this is a scrap 3" by 3 1/4. This is 4 by 5 1/4. This is basic white, cut at 2 by 2 square. And this is for the inside 4 by 5 1/4. And the card base 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. And I'm gonna try and make a fractured card. I'm sure you folks have seen that before, right? But I've never done one, so I wanted to do one. And then here I got scraps. You see, these are all 1/4" scraps from inside the pack. Night of Navy. But I think, okay, now let's just concentrate on this paper. And I guess I get my 4 by 4 or 2 by 2. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. 2 by 2" square. And I'm going to stamp my happy birthday greeting. And yeah, guys, hoping that I get it centered here. I mean, not really centered, but straight. Looks pretty good, y'all. And then this, I'm actually going to stamp off on this paper I have here on the side. And then put that there, just like that. How do you like that, guys? Okay, and then I guess I just put this in the center like this. Putting glue, and then I'll place it here in the center. Just like that. Then I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna put this here, but I'm only gonna use it for the edge. I'm gonna take my glue, putting some glue here, just like this. And I'll take one of these shorter ones. And this long one here is just for the edge, so I can butt this up to it, because I'm gonna put these against the square. Try not to get glue all over the place, which you see I'm doing. Okay, just like that. And then I guess I can go ahead and, oh, no, I gotta go finish up this side. I'll put the glue over here. Oh gosh, I guess it's not a good idea to put the glue on there because I'm not gonna know where the glue goes. So I'm gonna go like this, and I guess it'll be a good idea to get my mat like this. This will help for it not stick on my table here, my desk. I'm butting it up to the other Night of Navy cardstock, pushing it down, just like that. I'm gonna take another short one here and put the glue on here. A little bit goes a long way. Butting it up to this other Night of Navy and to the white square. Last piece here. And I guess these were not too long, but these are, like I said, were scraps in my cardstock bag. Get glue all on the white over here. Just like that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Looks good. And then I'm getting out my paper snips. I'm gonna turn it over and I'm gonna cut them. I'm putting my scissors against the 4 by 5 1/4 piece of paper. Oh, gosh, you see that, you guys? Cut some of my paper off. Don't do that. Okay, and then this is what this is for. I'm gonna put it over here like this. Yeah. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this glue over here. A little goes a long way. I'm just looking which one I want and what I want butt up to. I'm just butting it up to the Night of Navy. Oh, all sticky the fingers from this corner. I have, is it dry? I have, eraser here, glue eraser. Nice, you see that? It come right off. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the same thing, turn it over. Then I'm gonna trim, going up against my 4 by 5 1/4 piece. My scissors butting up right against it. Then I'm trying to save this piece on the other corner so that I can try it on this side. I'm gonna try, does it fit? Oh yeah, I think he fit. Good, good, good. Put some more glue. A little goes a long way, so I'm not overdoing it. Then I'm gonna butt it up inside there. Just feeling them. Pushing them down. Giving it a second to dry. Turn them over. And then this one, yeah, I just can cut them. There we go, you guys. That's a scrap. Taking this out of the way. This can go on here like this. Oh wait, what is this? Never get enough glue over here, I think. Smash them together. Right on the top of my card. Oh, I like that, you guys. Just wanted to try. I never tried this before. And then I'm going to put this white one on the inside because Night of Navy is just way too dark for right on. Here we go. Oh, I think I should put some flowers in here. Last minute thought, last minute thought. Oh, a little dark. That's okay. Just like that. Oops, sticking. There we have it. What do you guys think? I like it. So cute. Let's go ahead and get some rhinestones. You know, I gotta put some rhinestones on there. Take your pick tool. Just put a couple. 3. Gotta be 3. Where am I gonna put it though? Yeah, that's how always. I don't know where. like that. Oh, I like that fractured card. I like that. Gotta make more like that. Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up! Products, please visit my online stores. The website is linked in the description of this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon.